Hi, I'm Luiza and welcome to my channel. A few months ago I discovered coloring books for adults and my sister-in-law recommended alcohol markers. So I decided to try out this 80-piece set of alcohol markers from Shein. And today I'm going to swatch each of them so we can see together if they're worth the price or no. I chose this set because I like the fact that all of the markers have a dual tip, a larger one and a smaller one. It's not the final line, but still, it's pretty good. I'm pretty excited about the variety of colors, although I would have liked to have a few more shades of purple, but let's start swatching. So far the colors have been really pigmented, but we just got our first fail, unfortunately. The marker is really dried out, and I hope that at least the other side of the marker is good, but no luck. The rest of them are really pigmented and hydrated, so far I'm satisfied. Number 26, again it's a bit on the dry side, but the smaller tip is pretty hydrated. I find that it's pretty useful to have this kind of swatch sheet, because some of the colors are different once they're dried out than how they looked when they were wet. Also, the color of the cap isn't quite the same as the color of the ink. I'm not a professional, as I'm sure you are very much aware, but I am pretty impressed with these markers. They are very pigmented, the colors are pretty nice and varied, so for the price I really recommend them. So out of 80 shades, only one was completely dried and two were just a bit drier than the rest of them, but still, for the price I would totally buy this set again from Shein. But enough with the swatching, let's see the markers in action. As you can see, some of them are very wet and they leave a bit of line marks, port blue especially, in the sea and in the sky. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a bit different than what I've posted so far, but I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!